Thank you for choosing the Genie Universal Remote. The following will walk you through the programming process for all versions of the Genie Universal Remote. See the description for times if you need to review specific options for programming. The Genie Universal Remote comes with the following items: Universal Remote, Visor Clip Mount, Key Change Strap. Before beginning the programming, pull the tab to activate the remote. To replace the remote's batteries, remove the small Phillips head backing screw. Pry the case open with a small screwdriver or small coin. Replace the CR2032 coin cell battery. Before we begin programming the remote, we will review the buttons and indicators. At the top is the LED indicator light. Below that are the 4 programmable remote buttons. The LED will flash each time a button is pressed and will also light in response to button press sequences during programming. If you have more than one opener, please note all 4 buttons can be programmed individually from each other. You may use any combination of programming methods available for your opener to achieve your desired button setup. If at any time the remote needs to be cleared and returned to its factory default settings, press and hold down button number 3 and then press button number 4 times. The blue LED will give a long blink and then go out. This will clear any buttons programmed by the learning or cloning methods. Preset buttons that have been programmed to an opener must be cleared in the same manner you would clear an original transmitter from the opener. Please consult your opener manual for instructions. You may also program over any buttons that have been previously programmed with the Learn or Cloning method. Option 1, the Quick Start method. You may use one of the 4 manufacturer preset buttons on the remote if you have any of these opener brands. Button 1 for Genie and Intellicode 1 or Overhead Door Code Dodger 1. Button 2 for a Chamberlain with a purple Learn Code button. Button 3 for a Chamberlain with an orange-red Learn Code button. Button 4 for a Chamberlain with a yellow Learn Code button. If you have a Chamberlain opener with a yellow Learn Code button, please skip to the time listed to complete the Quick Start method to button 4. Press the Learn button on your garage door opener for 2 to 3 seconds and then release. Now press and release the preset button on the universal remote that corresponds with your opener slowly and deliberately several times until the garage door opener begins to move. The Quick Start method programming is now complete. Option 2, the Learn method. Press and hold down the button number 2. While still holding down button number 2, press button number 4 times and then release both buttons. The blue LED on a remote will begin to flash. You will have 15 seconds to complete the next step. Press the button of your choice the required number of times indicated on this chart. Wait until the blue LED blinks long and then goes out. If you have a Chamberlain opener with a yellow Learn Code button, please skip to the time listed to complete the Learn method. Press the Learn button on your garage door opener for 2 to 3 seconds and then release. Now press and release the button you just programmed slowly and deliberately several times until the garage door opener begins to move. The Learn method programming for this button is now complete. Option 3, the Cloning method. This remote can clone an existing operational remote for any of the garage door opener brands on this chart. Press and hold down button number 1. While still holding down button number 1, press button number 2 4 times and then release both buttons. The white LED on the remote will begin to flash. You will have 20 seconds to complete the next step. With the original remote within 2 to 4 inches of the Genie Universal Remote, hold down the existing operational button on the original remote until the blinking pattern changes from slow white to rapid blue. Press the button of your choice on the universal remote slowly and deliberately. The LED will turn solid and then go out. If you have a Chamberlain opener with a yellow Learn Code button, please skip to the time listed to complete the cloning method. Press the Learn button on your garage door opener for 2 to 3 seconds and then release. Now press and release the button you just programmed slowly and deliberately several times until the garage door opener begins to move. The cloning method programming for this button is now complete. Chamberlain yellow Learn button instructions. Press the Learn button on the opener for 2 to 3 seconds and then release. Press and release the preset button or the button you just programmed slowly and deliberately several times until the garage door opener begins to operate. Let it run until it stops. Press the Learn button again on the opener for 2 to 3 seconds and then release. Press and release the button you just programmed slowly and deliberately several times until the garage door opener begins to operate again. Let it run until it stops. Programming is now complete. Should you have any questions during the programming process, please visit geniecompany.com and select the live chat or call 1-800-354-3643 and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Genie. We hope you like and share this video and subscribe to the channel to see future videos on new products from Genie.